Welcome to Easy Home Gardening. In this video, we will learn how to grow portulaca or moss rose from cuttings. Best time to propagate portulaca from cutting is from March into July or when temperature remains above 25 degrees Celsius. Take 5 to 6 inch long healthy cuttings from mother plant. Remove all the leaf from the bottom of the cutting. Here I am using disposal glass with drainage hole at the bottom to propagate cuttings, but you can take any medium sized pot, and for the potting mix take 50% soil, 30% compost and 20% fine sand or cocopeat. Push the cutting about 1 to 2 inch deep into the soil, then gently form the soil around the cutting to give support. Water it well for the first time and keep the pot in partially shaded area for next 7 to 8 days. When you see new growth, then shift the pot to a place that receives direct sunlight of 5 to 6 hours. Make sure potting soil remains moist all the time but do not make it soggy. Follow same procedure with all the remaining cuttings. This is the update after 5 days and you can see all the cuttings have started new growth.